Hi, excuse me. I need some help.
Of course. What's going on?
I've been feeling tightness in my chest since this morning.
Is the tightness constant or does it come and go?
It comes and goes, but it worries me.
Do you have trouble breathing?
Not exactly, just discomfort when I take a deep breath.
Any coughing or wheezing?
No coughing, just a bit of pressure.
Did you do anything unusual recently? Heavy lifting, exercise?
I carried some boxes yesterday, but nothing extreme.
Have you had this before?
No, this is the first time.
Any heartburn or stomach acid lately?
Yes, actually. Last night after dinner.
That might be connected. Chest tightness can come from acid reflux.
Really. I thought it was something serious.
It can feel scary, but it's common.
So what should I take for it?
I recommend an antacid to reduce the burning and pressure.
Is it fast acting?
Yes, it usually works within minutes.
Okay, I'll try it.
Do you also feel the tightness after meals?
Yes, especially after heavy or spicy food.
Then it's likely gastric irritation.
Should I avoid anything?
Spicy food, oily food, coffee, and late night meals.
That explains a lot. I ate pretty late yesterday.
It happens. Just be gentle with your stomach for a few days.
Do I need to see a doctor?
Only if the pain gets sharper or spreads to your arm or jaw.
All right, I'll keep an eye on it.
Here's the antacid. Take 1 tablet after meals.
Thank you. Should I drink more water too?
Yes, it helps calm the stomach.
I'll do that.
If the tightness continues for more than 2 days, come back.
I will. Thanks for explaining everything.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Hi there. I'd like to check my blood pressure.
Of course. Are you feeling unwell?
Yes, I've had a strong headache since this morning.
Any dizziness or blurred vision?
A bit of dizziness, yes.
Have you ever had high blood pressure before?
No, not that I know of.
Okay, please sit down and relax your arm.
All right.
The first reading is 158.
Is that high?
Over 98. Yes, that's higher than normal.
That explains the headache.
Have you been stressed or sleeping poorly lately?
Very stressed, actually. Work has been crazy.
Stress can definitely raise your blood pressure.
What should I do right now?
I'll take a second reading to confirm.
Okay, I'm ready.
The second reading is 160 over 100.
That sounds serious.
It needs attention, but don't panic.
Should I see a doctor today?
Yes, I strongly recommend it.
Can I take something to lower it now?
Not without a doctor's supervision.
So I just wait.
You rest, breathe slowly, and avoid caffeine or salty food.
I drank coffee this morning.
Try to avoid it until your pressure normalizes.
Will it keep rising?
Not if you stay calm and get checked promptly.
I'll go to the clinic after this.
Good idea.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I was really scared for a moment.
It's okay to be worried. You did the right thing by coming.
Thank you. I'll head to the doctor now.
Take care, Mark. I hope you feel better soon.
Hi. I need some advice about a stomach pain I've had since last night.
All right. Tell me what kind of pain it is.
It's a burning pain, right in the middle of my stomach.
Does it get worse after eating?
Yes, especially after breakfast today.
Did you eat anything spicy or oily?
I had spicy noodles for dinner yesterday.
That could definitely irritate your stomach.
I also feel bloated and a bit nauseous.
Any vomiting?
No, just nausea.
Do you have heartburn or acid coming up your throat?
Yes, especially when I lie down.
That sounds like gastritis or acid reflux.
Is it serious?
Not usually, but it's uncomfortable.
What should I take for it?
I recommend an antacid or a stomach-protecting medicine.
Which one works faster?
The antacid works quickly, within minutes.
Okay, I'll try that.
Do you often skip meals or eat late at night?
Yes, I ate at 11 p.m. yesterday.
That can trigger stomach pain.
Should I avoid certain foods now?
Avoid spicy food, acidic food, coffee, and fried meals.
What about milk?
A small amount is fine, but not too much fat.
Should I rest today?
Yes, and drink warm water to soothe your stomach.
Do I need to see a doctor?
Only if the pain becomes sharp or lasts more than 3 days.
All right, I hope it gets better soon.
It will once your stomach calms down.
Can I take the medicine now?
Yes, take 1 tablet after a light meal.
Thank you for the instructions.
You're welcome.
I'll be more careful with my meals from now on.
Good idea. I hope you feel better soon.
Hi, I'm not feeling well and I need some advice.
Of course. What's bothering you today?
I've been feeling extremely tired for weeks.
Tired as in sleepy or physically weak?
Physically weak, like I have no energy at all.
Do you feel dizzy sometimes?
Yes, especially when I stand up.
Any shortness of breath?
Yes, even when I walk a short distance.
Have you noticed headaches or fast heartbeat?
Both. My heart beats fast even when I'm sitting.
All right. How is your appetite?
Not great. I don't feel like eating much.
Do you sleep enough?
I sleep a lot, but I still feel exhausted.
Have you been under a lot of stress?
A little, but not enough to feel like this.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I think so, yes.
Do you experience cold hands or cold feet?
All the time. My hands are freezing every day.
Have you had heavy menstrual periods recently?
Yes, much heavier than usual.
That can cause iron deficiency.
So, could this be anemia?
It's very possible. Your symptoms match.
Is anemia dangerous?
Not if treated early, but it needs attention.
What should I take for it?
Iron supplements are usually the first step.
Do they work fast?
They help, but it can take a few weeks to feel normal.
Oh, I didn't realize it was that slow.
The body needs time to rebuild red blood cells.
Should I change my diet too?
Yes, eat more leafy greens and red beans or lentils.
What about taking vitamin C with iron?
That actually helps the absorption.
Good to know.
Do you drink coffee or tea often?
Yes, at least twice a day.
Avoid them right after taking iron supplements.
Okay, I'll remember that.
That's good, but monitor it.
Should I see a doctor soon?
Yes, you should get a blood test for confirmation.
I'll do that.
Meanwhile, I can give you gentle iron tablets.
Will they upset my stomach?
Some people feel discomfort, but take them with food.
All right, I can do that.
Also, avoid eating too late at night.
I usually eat dinner at 10 p.m.
Try earlier. It helps digestion and energy levels.
Thank you. This explains a lot.
No problem. You'll feel better with proper treatment.
I appreciate your help today.
You're welcome, Mia. I hope you recover quickly.
Hello. I need some help with a sinus problem.
Sure. What symptoms are you having?
My forehead feels heavy and my nose is completely blocked.
Any pain around your eyes?
Yes, especially behind my left eye.
Do you feel pressure when you bend forward?
A lot. It gets worse when I lean down.
Do you have a headache too?
Yes, a dull, constant headache.
Any fever?
I don't think so. Maybe just a little warmth.
How long have you had these symptoms?
3 days already.
Is the nasal mucus thick and yellow?
Yes, it's thicker than usual.
That often indicates sinus inflammation.
It's really uncomfortable.
Do you have trouble sleeping because of it?
Yes, I wake up several times at night.
Do you snore when your nose is blocked?
My wife says I've been snoring loudly.
That's common with sinus congestion.
What can I take to relieve it?
A saline spray and a decongestant can help.
Will they work fast?
The spray works quickly. The decongestant takes a bit longer.
Should I use both?
Yes, but start with the spray.
Okay, I can do that.
Do you feel pain in your cheeks when you press them?
Yes, it's sore here and here.
That's typical of sinus pressure.
Can it turn into an infection?
It might if the blockage continues.
Should I take antibiotics?
Not yet, only if a doctor confirms an infection.
All right, I'll wait.
Do you work in air-conditioned rooms?
Yes, the office is always cold.
That can worsen sinus problems.
I didn't know that.
Try using a warm towel on your face at home.
Will that reduce the pressure?
Yes, it helps open the sinuses.
Should I drink more water too?
Definitely. Hydration helps thin the mucus.
I'll try drinking more.
Avoid cold drinks and ice for now.
Got it.
Do you have allergies?
Sometimes, especially in dusty places.
That can trigger sinus swelling.
I'll be more careful.
If the pain gets worse, visit a doctor.
I will.
For now, use the spray twice a day.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome, Daniel.
I hope this clears up soon.
It will. Take care and feel better soon.